Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the isometric projections. Before going to draw this isometric projection in the AutoCAD, let's try to understand the basic concept in the isometric projection. So this is actually used to create a pictorial drawing of an object. Any kind of object we can draw, 3D kind of object we can draw in this projection. So the iso means actually equal. The isometric terms, it comes from the Greek language, and that means equal measurement. So here one diagram I have taken here, and let's see the basic information regarding this, or some terms which is used in the isometric projections. First one is the isometric axis. This is the point, that means the three lines which is given here. One is CB line. This is one line, and this is CD line. Another one line is CG line. These three lines, if you see, both are meeting at it C point. Okay, so this is one side, this is another side, this is another side. So it's like three axes are there: x-axis, and this is x-axis, and y-axis, and z-axis. In that way, so these three lines are meeting at the point C, and which inclined at an angle of 120 degree. You can see all these lines are making angle. This CD and CB line both are at an angle of 120. BC and this is CG making an angle of 120. Similarly, CD line and this CG line makes an angle of 120 degree. So these are the isometric axis. And next is isometric lines. These lines actually parallel to the isometric axis line. So what are the lines are parallel to this one? You can see this AB line is parallel to CD line, and this AD line is parallel to the BC line. Similarly, these are the lines which is parallel to the isometric axis, that is called isometric lines. Okay. Similarly, AB is there, then BF is there. BF is the parallel for the CG line, and FG is parallel to VC line. All the lines will be parallel to, like these opposite lines, that is axis actually. So that is isometric lines. Non-isometric lines is nothing but which is not parallel to the isometric axis line. Like if you take this diagonal of this BD, which is not able to parallel to the axis, and similarly AC, this AC line also will be not able to parallel to the axis one. So that is called non-isometric lines. Similarly, CF is there. This diagonal should be there. Isometric plane. So next is the isometric plane is nothing but the plane representing any face of the cube. This is a cube what we have taken. So suppose let me change this color. We'll see. Yeah. So if you consider here ABCD point, this is AB and CD. This is a plane. This plane actually we can say top isometric top plane. This is top side. So you can say this is isometric top plane. Okay. And BCGF, this is, you can say, isometric. If you take this is a left side, if you consider this is front view this side, and this is will be your left side. So iso left side plane this is. And another one is there CDGF. This is your iso right side plane. So these are the isometric planes. And non-isometric planes is nothing but, and actually this will find out, this represents any face of the cube as well as other plane parallel to the, it is called isometric plane. Okay. Non-isometric plane is nothing but the plane which is not parallel to the isometric planes. So are known as non-isometric plane. Suppose ABGF. Now you consider AB and what is the G point here? GF. So obviously that will be not a isometric plane, will be not considered that one. CDEF, CD and EF. So all are in different modes are there. So that will be not considered in that. So that is non-isometric planes. And finally, the main important thing is isometric scale. So isometric scale is actually it is a scale which is used to convert the true length of the object into isometric length. So true length will be different. True length of the object will be different, and isometric length will be different. So isometric to identify the isometric length, actually that will be multiplied with true length into 0.8. So always keep in mind that the true length of the object will be more than the isometric length. Okay, so let's see one more diagram here. Yeah, what is isometric projection and what is the orthographic projection? These things we are having a small idea previously, because we have seen this many problems and this many theories we have studied in the previous videos. So this is actually the pictorial projection, or nothing but you can say this is the isometric projection given, and these are the orthographic projection given. Now in the isometric projection you can see all this height, width and depth all are combined here. All informations are given. Okay, so it is you can see now this is one side, this is one side, and this is another side. So three axes are there, x, y and z. So everywhere all information should be given, like this side width is there, this side depth will be there, and this side height will be there. So all informations are given in this isometric projection. But while coming to the orthographic projection, here we can identify only any two information will be given, we can draw it. That means suppose this is our front view is there, and simultaneously below to the front view we know that we need to draw the top view, and exactly side to this left view, the front view, we need to draw the side view. So that side view depends, it's like what kind of side view. If it is if the arrow mark is given here, then this is front view and this is your right side view, and the right side view projection will come on the left side. Okay, similarly this is our top view and front view will be there. Now here what we are discussing, the orthographic projection means any two dimensions will be given, either front view will be given or top view will be given, or you can say that to draw this orthographic projection, any two information given, that is sufficient. So to draw the front view, which is having length, or you can say width. Sometimes we used to call this is a width, or sometimes we used to call some books, textbooks will be given as a length. Okay, so both you can call it. So that is, this is, if this is a front, arrow mark will be given, that indicates, the arrow mark indicates that is the front view of the object, and this length or width we can say, and height, that will be your front view. So for front view you can say this length required and height is required. Okay, and similarly for the top view, this is the top view is there. For the top view you can see the depth required, and you can say the width required. Depth is nothing but we can say sometimes breadth also you can call. So depth or breadth or length or width is given, that is for top view. Similarly for side view, this is the side view is there. So side view, this is depth and we can say the height. Okay, these are the information required for different views. And similarly the common things will be there. For front view and top view, which is common? Now width is common or length is common, correct? Similarly front view, side view, which is common? Now height is common here. And for the side view and you can say top view, the depth is common or the breadth is common, this length. Okay, this is common for the side view. So these are the few information I supposed to intimate you. Let's go for the directly to the problem, the basic problem in the isometric. So draw the isometric view of a square of side 40 mm kept in a vertical position and horizontal position. So dimension given. Let's go for the AutoCAD. So here already I have opened the AutoCAD here. Now it is in the orthographic mode is there. Before going to draw that, let me complete my page setup, that is MV setup. I can go for it, or you can go for limits, both you can do. Paper space no, metric type M, and scale factor 1, paper width 420 and 297. Okay, here I have created the diagram, a space I have created here. Now I will select the line, I will draw a reference line here. Okay, now here I need to draw the isometric projection view. So before now this cursor you can see this is in orthographic mode. To change into isometric view or isometric projection, we are having different, like we are having multiple options out there. So now if you see one in the corner, if you see customization tab is there. Customization tab will be there in the corner of your screen. So if I click on the customization tab here, you can see I have already clicked everything here. Coordinates, model space, grid. In the first class I have informed you these things. Snap mode, dynamic input and ortho mode. So similarly here isometric drafting already I have clicked here. Okay, by here we can click it. If it is not, switch on to your tab option here, then we can click on that. If I click this one, you can see it is gone. Again, if I click it, you can see here it is appeared. Okay, first things we need to do it from here. Or else, if we done this one, then we can click on this isometric drafting. Or else, if it is not there, you can click this one, means we can see our cursor is changed. Okay, if that is also not there, then other method I'll tell you, OSNAP. In the first class also I told you, these are the important commands are there. OSNAP, if I enter, then I'll go for this snap and grid. So here you can see the grid snap is given rectangular snap. So what the diagram we are drawing here, that is in rectangular snap. Now if I click it isometric snap, now you can see it is changed. So I'll click it, I'll OK it. Now see, it is in the isometric. Okay, let me change it this one. Let me show you again. Now you can see this is in ortho mode. Okay, now we'll go, I'll type this OSNAP and I'll go for snap and grid. I'll just click it on the isometric snap, I'll OK it. Now see my cursor here is changed. Okay, this is one way. Or else we can, if it is not there, then we can say, we can type like, ISO draft also. ISO draft, we can type it directly. And which kind of, see, the options are the same. Orthographic, isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right. Anyone you can select, you can see our cursor changed. Okay, so these are the methods are there to select the isoplane. Now for that, what I'll do, I'll just I'll change this color. I'll go for my layer and select the line. Just take any one of the point in this reference line, and now this is actually is given only ISO left is selected, I hope. Yeah, you can see this is the isoplane left is selected. That's why it is coming on the left side only. Only this side it is visible. You can draw the line in the vertically and in this left side. So the question given here to draw the square of side 40 mm and isometric view you need to draw. So we'll try to draw on this all these views. Okay, left, right, and top side. So the dimension given 40. So if it is visible or visualized in the left side, let's go for the left side itself. You can go for 40. Okay, now you can see I have taken this side 40. Now again the height will be similar to 40 also, and again this side also. Now if you see, if I keep my cursor this side, automatically it is coming in this way. If I go that side, it will go that way. It won't go for right side or any other sides, because we have clicked this one in the left side only. ISO left we have selected. So again, an angle also you can see that if I click on the tab angle, you can see that angle 30 degree. Okay, I'll show you that measurement also in the last 40. Again, come down for 40. Okay, now you can enter it. So this is one view of the square. Dimension, if you want to check the dimension, just check it. Yeah, 40 and 40. So this is here, this is our required answer. The square yeah, okay, this is one side view. Similarly, another side we can draw. Go for again select angle. Okay, angle, let me check it. It should be one more thing important. This isometric projection, while you draw, your angle should be 30 degree to the reference line always. Similarly, one more time we'll draw in the right side. Okay, so select any one of the point on this. You can see already we have selected the ISO left side. That's why it is not moving the right side. So what I'll do, I can go for here. I just can change it to ISO left to ISO right or ISO top, or else one more option is there, F5 in our keyboard. We can just click on the F5. Now you can see it was changed to next. Okay, it is changed to ISO top. Now if I click again, then it will be there in the ISO right side. Okay, ISO plane right. So we'll go for right side once. Now the dimension is given here 40. Okay, angle 30 degree already there. Now again vertically upward, that is also 40, 90 degree angle. Now again it will come back to this side. So again 40 with an angle of 150. Now again it will come back to vertically downward, that is to the origin position, that is 40 again. Okay, so this is our the, you can say, just we could select all the things, then we can change the color of this and we can highlight the object. So this is one view. This is your ISO right. Okay. And dimension also, again we can just mark it, all the dimensions at the last. And if you want to give the angle for this, you can give this angle. Okay. Similarly, next option is what? Next option is top. So I can select again isoprene top here, or I can just click on the F5. So that can be also done. Similarly, we'll take one point here. We'll go this side. We know that 40. Only it will be top side will be moved. It won't go for left and right. It will just move on the top. So again 40. Again automatically you can see the green color symbol. You can see where it is visible. You can take in this way. Okay. Again it will come 40, and it will come back to again 40 this side. Just enter it. Okay. Now this is about the top plane, top side. Move this a little bit, remove this side. Okay, and now we can just highlight this object again. So this is all about the square in which you can see the different views are there. Isoplane, isotop, and isorights are there. Just we can mark all these dimensions what we require, and multiple dimensions need to be avoided. Okay, and these are all the things are there. This is for the square part. Now one more question I have taken here: isometric view for a triangle ABC whose front view is given, and we need to draw the isometric view from this. We can draw top and iso right and iso left also. So the question given here, you can see the triangle is given, length is given as 60 and height is given 40. So let me tell you how to draw it. Now see, so we'll just extend the line. So now see, it is not moving in horizontally, it is moving only in top because it is in, it was selected in iso top was selected. So what I will do, I just unclick this one. Let it again click it. Yeah. Now it's clear. So I just extend this line, and this boundary also I can extend. Now again I'll change it this one. Okay, isoplane left. So let's select the line here, and based on the dimension of left side I told, this is the left side I need to take it. Length is given 60, so take 60, and height is given how much? Let's see, height is how much is given? 40 is given. 40, and again it will become 60. Again it can come down 40. Enter it. This is the, you can say, rectangle of the plane. And what we need to do? We need to draw the triangle in that. The triangle is given, length is given 60, height also 40 is there, but here from this corner it need to be kept 20 mm distance. So very simple it is. So what we will do, we just select the line, and we'll take a distance of 20 here. Okay, and give a point on this. Okay, the point selection. Now what I'll do, I'll just draw the answer for this. So I'll change this, go for line, select this one, and select this. Okay, so this is our answer for this. And now you can change, you can give the dimension of this align dimension. This is the length from here to here 60. Again from this point to, and here it is 20 is there, and height also you can mark it here. Height is given 40. Okay, and one more answer you can draw. So that is okay. Let me extend this one again. Same issue will come. If you want to extend this, this can be extended because we know that okay, this is extended in the same line. So this line cannot be extended. Okay, we'll do just this reference line. So that can be given in this line. So this line can be taken in this way. Suppose length is 60, height is 40. So just select this line. Now you can see here this line is, let me take it here. I have selected this left side, so it is not moving right side and other side. So I need to change it. I'll go for just F5. Now F5 means it is top. again it's coming in the right. So now again I need to take 60 length and height is given 40. Again it will come back here 60 and automatically it can click it here. Okay, this is on another side. Now right side is selected. Next what? We need to take the distance of 20 mm here. So similarly I'll just click it here. I'll go for 20 and enter it and PU enter point. Mark it and next we can go for the answer for this. Okay, select the line and just select from here to here. Select this one and select this. So this is your triangle for the ISO right side and left side. So these are the basic information regarding how to draw the rectangle or triangle in the isometric view. So I hope you understood the basic information regarding the isometric. In the future class we will discuss the how to draw the isometric projection and different kind of diagrams. Okay, and the further also we will discuss about the isometric view to orthographic and also orthographic to isometric. So if you are having any kind of doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.